GUI customization and navigation. In this lesson, we will learn GUI customization and navigation. And now we continue on these steps to learn SAP. So how do we become familiar with SAP navigation? So I'll explain in this section the basic SAP navigations, including the menu's layout options and buttons, and then you can play around with them. So the menu bar is organized according to the task you are performing in the SAP system. And that means it is screen dependent. The system and help menus are always standard on every screen in the R3 system. The other menus in the menu bar are screen dependent. Standard toolbar is located just below the menu bar, contains buttons, icons for performing the common actions such as save and enter, back, exit, cancel, etc. The standard toolbar also contains the command field. So by the way we write the transaction code into the command field, we can open the screen directly. For example, go to transaction code SE11. Now we can do it by pressing the enter button. Standard toolbar components are also screen dependent. Now, if we open the SE11 transaction code, we will see the active icons change. Good. So creates new session button creates a new SAP session. Same function as create session in the system menu. Generate shortcut button can create a shortcut. Layout menu allows you to customize the display options. And we can change theme-specific options. We can change fonts, font style, and size. We can also change the color settings on the system or per client basis. And we can change the interaction design settings. For example, turning off or turning on the sound. We could also make other settings such as security and print. Now the application toolbar is located directly below the screen title. ABAP programmers usually use the menu application bar. The components of the application toolbar are screen dependent. And the navigation area is a regular list of frequently used transaction codes. The menu can be standard or user-based. Now, when the screen changes, we see that the application toolbar, that's changed too. The SAP menu button opens standard SAP menu. So it's not based on users' authorities, right? User menu button opens the role menus for which you are authorized. Then when clicking on the SAP menu, it returns you to the initial screen. Right-click on the favorites, and we can add a folder or a transaction code. New folder file added. Now we'll add the SE43 transaction code. So now we can open the SE43 transaction code by double-clicking. Now we can make custom settings via Menu, Extras, Settings. We can hide. We can also display technical names. We can also move favorites to the bottom of the menu. But we can only make favorites visible. Back, exit, and cancel buttons return to the previous or the main screen. And we'll need to save the changes before we leave the program. Otherwise, all those changes will be lost.